In this video, we will learn how to use Dmin function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. I'm going to calculate here quantity in Dmin means minimum quantity of mouse item. So let's start. I'm using here Dmin function. Just enter the Dmin tab. Oh, sorry. Is equal to Dmin tab. Select the full database, then comma, field is a quantity heading only selected here, comma, criteria is item, then bracket close. That's it. Here you can see mouse minimum quantity is a 10. If you see all mouse quantities, minimum quantity 10. If I enter here keyboard, then quantity will change of keyboard. I just checked. Okay, see here. Keyboard minimum quantity also 10. If I change here in keyboard, suppose I enter here 9, then see here minimum quantity 9 is available in database. So this is a one criteria I selected. The second way I select here some heading. Here I am calculating d mean of quantity by using this two, two criteria item and company name. So I'm using here dmin function. Select the full database, comma, field, quantity heading only, criteria is both item and company name. So bracket closed. When I enter here mouse and company name ABC, then quantity is here. When I enter here keyboard, then quantity is here. Minimum quantity of item keyboard ABC company. Okay. If I enter here XYZ company, then quantity will 9 minimum quantity. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.